are going to do objects on path. This is also on the test. I just took the shapes that we've already created, and I'm going to make a line. This line, I want to have some wave to it, so I mean, I could take a pen tool and just drag a wavy line or make a circle, but I want to just show you a little bit more. So if I go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and Zigzag, I'm going to make this line kind of have this zigzaggy pattern. I am going to do Smooth. And I don't want many segments. Okay. But I have to expand this because right now this zigzag or this wave pattern is kind of like a mask. It's not real. So I'm going to go to Object, Expand Appearance, and now it's going to create that wavy line. Okay, so from here, I want to select my shapes and my wavy line, and then go to this new tool, which is Objects on Path. And you can kind of see it's taking both of those, and it's going to put it onto that wavy line. Okay, select my shapes, click on Objects on Path, click the line that I want it to go to, and then it puts them on that line. I can move them now on this line. I can rotate. I can take and move all. I can move them tighter or farther away for spacing. So it becomes pretty handy for us to use that. This line doesn't have to be a color either. So I think it would work best if the line that you're using is clear. I just wanted to make sure that you saw it. While we're here, guides is also something that is going to be on the test. And they have a shape, and they said make guides from shape. If I go to View, Guides, and Make Guides with this shape selected, it then makes guides from whatever shape you're creating. To me, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to use it in this way. How I would want to use it, however, is if I wanted to like create a flyer, or I wanted to have some boundaries that I didn't want to cross. If I'm creating something, I can make a shape like a rectangle around the artboard, and then go to View, Guides, Make. So this is not printable. It's not going to print. You know, it is movable right now, so you can always go and lock those by View, Guides, Lock Guides. And now those guides won't move.